might not know much about cars, bitch, but I've been driving these bitches for years, so you learn a thing or two. So when that motherfucker make that clink, 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 when you trying to crank that bitch up and it won't crank and it go clink, 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 like it won't. Like, what the fuck? You know that battery, bitch. That battery, you need you to jump off a new battery or something. That battery. You try to crank that motherfucker and do that. Chink, chink. That motherfucker, it don't turn over. You know when it make that clink, 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 you get to turn over because it get like it trying to, but it like clink, 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 clink. You know that's the battery, but when that motherfucker do that clink, clink, that went that clink, bitch ain't, bitch, that starter. They start, like, I don't know much about algebra, cars and shit, but I know a little something. I know that motherfucker ain't pulling out the gears. That motherfucker transmission slipping or up in the go.